In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Docusign signature quickly and easily. Let's dive right in and guide you through this straightforward process. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Docusign website. Once you're there, you'll notice in the top right corner a button that says Log In. Click on that and it will prompt you to enter your credentials such as your email address and password. If you're not already signed into your account, now is the time to do so, as you'll need access to your profile settings to make these changes. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the Docusign homepage. This is where you can see an overview of your account, active documents, and other options. Your next step is to find and click on your profile. Usually this is located towards the top of the page, often represented by either your photo or a generic profile icon. Click on Profile to reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll find an option called Manage Profile. Selecting this will take you to a page where you can adjust various settings related to your account, including personal details and signature options. Once you're in the Manage Profile section, look for a tab or link labeled Signatures. This is crucial because this is where you'll handle any existing signatures you have and where changes can be made. The page will display your current signature configuration, providing you with the room to either add new ones or modify existing ones. Next, direct your attention to the Actions button, typically found beside your signature. By clicking on it, a new set of options will pop up. This is where you'll have the choice to edit your signature. Once you select Edit, you'll enter a deeper interface that permits you to customize or redesign your signature. You have options to type, draw, or upload an image of your signature, allowing for a personalized touch that suits your style or organizational needs. Whether you decide to draw it with a stylus, select a typographic signature, or upload an image, ensure that your updated signature is neat and professional. After adjusting your signature to your satisfaction, don't forget to save your changes. Properly saving them eliminates the hassle of having to repeat the process. Saving confirms that these updates will apply to all future electronic documents you sign through Docusign, enhancing your digital efficiency. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to changing your Docusign signature in just a few moments. We hope this tutorial has made it crystal clear and easy for you to update your digital signature. Thank you for watching and happy signing.